guys, you're welcome once again over here on this platform, and today in this video I want us to explore around this market. And this market is, it's very close to Makola market, but this place is also close to Liberty House. You get me? So I want us to walk from this place to Makola market. You get me? So we are going to walk from this street to Makola market, and as you can see, a lot of people came to the market. So I want X to explore around to see how this place really how this place really looks like. And if you've not been here before, or if you've not set your eyes over here before, then this is an opportunity for you to watch this video. And mostly those in this US, UK, Canada, Germany, and you've never set your eyes in any African country before, then this video is also good for you, because this is how most of the Africans market really looks like. Do you get me? Yeah. So let's explore around to experience how the place really looks like and how traders really sell. So guys, let's go.
Subsidy under the yellow canopy. Number G this is non
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Right now we are in Accra market, and as you can see, this place is really busy, and a lot of people are here. And the market is, it's very tough. You get me? A lot of people came to the market. It's because of the Christmas. You get me? Yes, it's because of the Christmas. If not that, you wouldn't have seen these people. Yes, most of them are, into buying foodstuffs, clothes, and other things for their Christmas. You get me? So that's the reason why a lot of people came. Actually, Makola market and also today market, people really come over here, but today is so special. Yeah, a lot of people just came to the market. I was even surprised. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much also for watching the full video. May God bless you. See you in my next video. If you are new and you haven't subscribed, please tap on the subscribe button to follow us. And also, if you've not turned on the notification bell, just look beside the subscribe button after subscribing the channel. Just look beside it and you're going to see a notification bell over there. Just tap on the notification bell and turn it on. Let's select all and you're going to receive notification whenever I drop in content. So thank you very much once again. See you in our next video. Please tap on the share button to share this video with your friends. Bye.